let's talk about the settings and how to use your Spectra breast pump. Now we're going to be using an S1 Plus for this demonstration, and I wanted to talk about the functionality of the breast pump and what settings would be best for you and for moms. So the settings on the S1 are very customizable. So there are variable vacuum settings, which is how strong that the pump sucks, and then there are different cycle speeds. So let's look at that. So this is currently on cycle 54. The average full-term baby is going to be cycle 46 through 54. So you can go down in cycles, and it can go all the way from 38 all the way up to 54. Now usually we recommend that when you turn on your breast pump, whether it's the S1 Plus or the S2 Plus, that you press this little wave button here, and this puts you in what's called the massage or the letdown mode. Now in this mode, you want to pump at a vacuum, a suction strength that is comfortable for you, okay? You certainly don't want pumping to hurt. If it hurts, potentially the vacuum, the suction strength is too high, or your flange sizing is incorrect. So you really want to look at all of those factors. Now once your milk lets down, you would then press that wave button again, and then that puts you in what's called the expression mode. Now again, the average full-term baby is cycle 46 to 54. One recommendation is that a mother is not responding well to her pump settings. Again, you have to allow your body to adjust to a new pump. So that can be anywhere from 1 to 2 weeks to adjusting to a new breast pump, especially using a breast pump that is a hospital strength pump, such as all of our Spectra models. However, some moms are able to adjust quicker. However, one recommendation is to turn your pump on, leave it in expression mode of cycle 54, and to put the vacuum level at comfort. Okay, it goes 1 all the way to 10 in terms of the vacuum. If you have the S1, it will have that battery indicator that tells you how much battery life you have left, because it does allow for up to 3 hours of wireless pumping. We do have IBCLCs on staff here at Spectrababyusa, such as myself and others on staff. So if you have any questions in terms of personalized assistance, please feel free to reach out to us. You can direct message us on Instagram. You can also private message our Spectra Certified IBCLC Facebook page, or you can email IBCLC@spectrababyusa.com. That's IBCLC@spectrababyusa.com. I hope this was helpful. Again, for personalized assistance, please feel free to reach out to our IBCLCs here on staff.